Yes, my name's David Lewis. I'm with Neil Huffman Acura. I'm servicing your 2006 TL today for an AC in-op concern. We had found the high side discharge line to have a stress fracture in it, causing the Freon to leak out, rendering your AC in-op. We're unable to fully diagnose the total system, the compressor, due to the inability to charge your system. We'll need to replace the line and then recharge the system and check all other operations. Shouldn't have any problems, but you never know till we get it fully charged and checked. Upon inspection of your vehicle, we did also notice a few other things. I'm going to start on the bottom side of your car because that's where we're at now. And once we get to the top, I'll show you the line and the fracture, which I was just speaking about. But one of the first things that I've noticed that really need to be addressed is you have a transmission mount that is right there. You can see there's no bolt in the mount there, or on this side as well. We are missing both the bolts for the mount. We need to get both of them replaced so that the transmission isn't wobbling and moving around. You also have got an oil leak that is originating in the back side of your cover here. The rear main seal and the oil pan are both leaking, items that would require some attention. Again, that is just stuff we noticed as we were doing the inspection on your vehicle that we do complimentary with each visit. I'm gonna lower the vehicle and show you what we have going on the top side of your car. Okay, on the top side, right here is where your service fittings are, and that is where the leak is. If you can get a good view, right here where I'm going to place my finger is the high side fitting, and right on that corner there is a crack in the line where it is leaking. It's unable to hold any pressure. On the top side we don't see many leaks, but you do have some power steering fluid, which is in this container here, that is low level and dirty contaminated fluid. You're also due for a transmission service. The fluid has a burnt smell and is contaminated, along with the brake fluid as well. We just again just wanted to give you a small video to show you what we had found and what some of the recommendations were with the free inspection. And shortly my service consultant Justin will reach this video out to you, and he'll be able to answer any questions you have further in detail and get you some pricing on it. Thank you very much.